Welcome Info Khazana HTML MCQs question and answer series. Traditional HTML and XHTML MCQs. This question will helpful for you entrance exam and the placements. Now let's start the MCQs questions of traditional HTML and XHTML. First question. State whether the given statement is true or false. Exclamator doc type is a case sensitive. True, A true, B false. Answer is false. Question number 2. Choose the correct statement. Four options are given. In traditional XHTML, close take for some element is optional but not encouraged. B. In traditional HTML, close take for some element is optional but not encouraged. C. In both traditional XHTML, HTML, close take for some element is not optional. D. In both traditional XHTML, HTML, close take for some element is optional. Answer is in traditional HTML, close take for some element is optional but not encouraged. Question number 3. Which of the following XHTML doc type declaration contain all HTML elements and attribute, including presentational and deprecated element like font but not frame set? So important point is what frame set is not used. Okay. So first A. XHTML doc type HTML public W3C DTD XHTML 1.1 EN w3.org XHTML 11 DTD XHTML 11 DTD. B. Doc type HTML public. Site name EN w3.org tr XHTML DTD XHTML strict.dtd. C. Doc type HTML public. Site name w3.org tr XHTML DTD XHTML transitional.dtt. D. DOCTYPE HTML public W3C DTD XHTML 1.0 frameset EN HTTP w3.org tr XHTML DTD XHTML 1 frameset DTD. Answer is C. DOCTYPE HTML public W3C DTD XHTML 1.0 transitional EN HTTP w3.org XHTML DTD XHTML transitional.dtd. Question number 4. Which of the following is not a difference between HTML and XHTML? A. Character set is HTML is text oblique HTML, whereas in XHTML it is application oblique XML plus XHTML. B. Tag and attribute are case sensitive, case insensitive in HTML but not in HTML, not in XHTML. C. Special character must be escaped using character entities in XHTML unlike HTML. D. Character set is both HTML and XHTML is a text oblique HTML. Answer is D. Character set in both HTML XHTML is text oblique HTML. This is not a difference between HTML and XHTML. Question number 5. What indicate that contain in file is HTML when delivered on the network? A. Extension of the file .html. B. Both .html extension and content type headers. C. Content type headers. D. Content type headers. Answer C. The content type header. The content type header indicate the content in file is HTML when delivered on the network. Question number 6. State whether the given statement is true or false. We can intermix XHTML and HTML 4.01 document. Answer is option is true and false. So answer is false. Question number 7. HTML and XHTML stand for A. Hypertext markup language and extensible hypertext markup language. B. Hypertext markup language and extensible hypertext marking language. C. Hypertext marking language and accessible text marking language. Hypertext marking language and accessible hypertext marking markup language. The answer is A. HTML is stand for hypertext markup language and XHTML is stand for extensible hypertext markup language. Question number 8. Choose the correct for the largest heading in HTML. So H1 to H6 is a use for heading. H1 is the largest heading and H6 is the smallest heading. So answer is H1 is the largest heading in HTML and heading B heading or D head is not used in for heading purpose. So answer is C, H1. Question number 9. Which of the following are table take? A. Table thread TRTD. B. Column span table TR. C. Table TT TRTD. D. Thread column span TD TR. So B. Width equal to quota inside the IP value. So this is the 10 question of HTML MCQs questions. Thank you very much. If you have any query about the HTML MCQs question, please write down your queries on my YouTube channel comment box. Thank you very much.